Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. So in this video we are going to check out another dumb phone. So today we have Samsung Hero E2250. So this device released back in 2013, and even at the time also I have seen like people were using alongside with their smartphone this kind of devices, mostly Samsung or Nokia devices. So as a calling device, not really for anything else, just for calling. And there are many reasons to use these devices. Even today also many people use this kind of devices. Even me also personally use one of this kind of devices, but I usually switch between the devices because I have many of this kind of device, particularly dumb phones. So going with this device actually is pretty lightweight and it's in really good condition. I bought it for $5. It's worth the money, so I bought it. And going with the device, like in front we have a 2-inch display which is 128 by 160 pixel. Usually if you buy a Nokia device like this, you will get like high resolution display, but in this case this device actually coming with lower resolution display, although it's quite big. Going with the keypad is excellent here. It's really great here. It's even better than the some of the Nokia phones keypad. Really great. In the back, in the right hand side we have micro USB. The flap is missing. Usually if you buy a secondary one, you will not get flap on that, and in this one is used for charging and data transfer from this device. And on the back we have a VGA camera with a speaker. On the left hand side we don't have anything. On top we have our 3.5 headphone jack, so you can listen to the music using this one. So let's go and check out the UI and what we can do with this device. So this device actually is not really powerful one. So this particular device is only 2G variant. There are few other devices similar to this one which come with 3G network. Here I have one. Actually, as you can see, this one is 3G variant and it is also pretty much similar, a little bit different, but this one looks nicer. So going with that, my SIM card is here, my primary SIM card is here, just to try out the phone call and other things. Those things are working perfectly fine here. So going with the menu, so we are getting few things here pretty much similar to what looks like in like we get with older Samsung devices, so like TouchWiz UI. So pretty much same to that. So the application we are getting here: lock and contact, music, internet, messaging, my file, organizer, camera, mail, application, Samsung apps, and settings. So this device actually come with 200 megahertz processor, and also it have like 20 MB of internal storage, so that you can take photos and other things, but only 5 MB of storage for storing the application. So going with the setting, what we are getting here actually is sound profile, so that you can change sound profile. Going with the display, there are wallpaper you can choose from. Theme, there are few themes. These are not really themes you get with Nokia themes. Like if you download Nokia themes from third-party stores, those are really beautiful, that change the icon and everything, but in this case they are really basic themes, nothing like that. And smart home, you can choose whatever you like shortcut and other things. And dialing display, you can choose the color and the size, and brightness also there, so you can choose. Usually in like Nokia devices you will not get the brightness section. If you are getting S40 device, in S60 devices you will get it, but in S40 device you will not get. So brightness is also there. The black backlight for the keypad, those are there, nothing else. Date and time. In the phone section we have flight mode, languages, shortcuts, so you can change the shortcut of these 4 buttons. This you can change. I have already changed mine. And keypad auto lock, so it's also there. So let's turn it off. And call section, so all calls you can see whatever you want to do, and also voice call features, call forwarding and other things. And there is a fake call app which will allow you to make calls, so it will call automatically to your device whatever name you set or what time you set, so they will call you automatically. I don't know the purpose of this fake call feature, so I have never used this kind of one. So backup and restore feature also there. Security, you can lock security with like keypad lock with a code you do with your Android device. PC connection, network, so this device just come with 2G connection, so there is no mode to select 3G or anything like that. Memory section, you can check clean phone memory, you can check how much memory is status. So my file, as you can see, out of 24 MB, 19 MB is available. Actually the 5 MB is for only for the storing the games and other things. So for that, going with the other things, I did not put my SD card here, and so the applications are only these. So in the application section we have few things: chat on Opera Mini, which is a built-in Opera Mini with this device, and we have Facebook, which doesn't work, Twitter doesn't work, Messenger doesn't work, Bluetooth messaging doesn't work, communication doesn't work, Google may work actually. So if we go to google.com, it will work. Let it connect to the internet. So it is pretty slow because of 2G network, so now it is not connecting even. But if I browse directly from the browser, it does connect. Now it's connecting. Yes, so connected now. As you can see, Google, it's pretty slow, but it is working. And also we have FM radio here. That's good actually, this for kind of devices. And also we have image editor and game and more section, voice recorder, Bluetooth also available, and as a services for my SIM card. So going with the game and more, there are few applications are here. So there is chat on, which doesn't work anymore. Opera Mini, this is a built-in Opera Mini, came with this device, which does work. And Windows Live, Messenger, there are few games here. So Asphalt 6, Block Breakers, Castle of Magic, and Gamebox. So Gamebox is basically to download the games from here, but it doesn't work anymore. So as you can see, it does open, but if you try to download any games from here, it will not work anymore. The internet is working, failed. So it's basically all the application which require internet, most of the time they doesn't work. So, and also we have like Samsung cricket game. So I did put JTube here. Surprisingly, JTube is working, but it cannot like play any video, but it does load the home page and load the video, but you cannot watch. Maybe you can download in 144p. So as you can see here, so it did load like the video. And if I try to open any video, maybe you can download. If I try to download, so it also, as you can see here, it is trying to download. Allow, connecting. Maybe it will download the video, but it cannot play actually, so it doesn't matter, whatever. But it is surprising that the application is working just fine. Going with another Opera Mini, so I did download this one Opera Mini directly using the browser. This one is Opera Mini 8, but it doesn't work. Maybe the application which is more than 200 KB doesn't work. So as you can see here, Java error. But the built-in Opera Mini is working just fine. You can browse Facebook and other things, but it's pretty slow. So if I go into from this, actually if I use this Facebook link, it just try to download the Facebook application directly from here, but we can browse actually. Now it's connecting. So as you can see here, it does work, but it is pretty slow. And also you can like browse WebTrick and other things, but as I said, the application doesn't really work if you download from there, like games and other things doesn't work. The built-in games you can play. So basically this device is only for phone calls and messaging, and if you really want to listen to the music, you can listen. The speakers here are really great. So let's give you a trial about the speaker. So going with the voice call ringtone is minimum.
I can't believe it.
So it's pretty loud, so it's good actually for phone call and messaging. The keypad are really nice. So, and also like for music, you can put micro SD card in this device. And one more thing about this kind of device is that they can last very long. The battery lasts very long in this kind of device. So that's all about Samsung Hero. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time.